everybody? We're back again. We're back working on the site of the earth home we are building, and we have the perimeter laid out. We showed you that. We started digging the trenches on this side here, and going to be about a foot and a half wide. The walls this thick, rather. And but before we can go into that side, you see, we have to deal with this issue. First of all, let me address this. I know you guys who know me before, back in the day, were like, man, he looks so skinny. Listen, I was born skinny. My mother used to call me fat butt because I had no butt. Now I'm back to that, okay? When I was dancing and blah, 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 I had legs like this big, and I could do 20 Russian splits this high off the ground, like that, with no effort. Okay, now I'm 54, going on 55 very soon. Those days are done. I don't miss them too much. And I'm doing my thing here for the good of humanity and all that stuff. It's no longer about show business and all that. I'm just doing my thing. So let's get past that and move on. This needs to be leveled. This part of the ground is higher and that's lower. So what we've been doing is just basically digging up this part and shifting it over there so we can balance it all out before we can finish digging the trenches, because then they will be uneven, the trenches, the depth, if we don't do that first. So that's what we're doing. We're using this thing here to drag this over to there, because guess what? We don't have a wheelbarrow, and that's an extremely important item that we don't have, we can't afford. If you want to help support this project, it's going to be a link in the description. But this is how we do it. We do that. By the way, we just had the handle here. I made this, the head, and I carved this out of a nice piece of guayava wood. It's very hard, very stable, and nice. Well, it's very rough, but it doesn't matter. It's not out here for looks. And then I'm gonna put these chunks under there. And I think I got enough for now. The wheelbarrow would make this job a whole lot easier. Help us out, guys. We're gonna make this happen. Drag this over here like that to this point. Lay that down. Come over here. And then I just... You will not believe how heavy this mud is. Earth. So anyway, come on this side, you can see better. This side. We're gonna, you see how low this is and how high that is. We're gonna build up this entire side of the hill with dirt from over there, just shift it over and then try to balance everything. We're making a rammer here. Check this out. It's another tool we don't have, but this one we can make. This is gonna be the rammer. This piece here, we're carving this out to basically do like that, and then we shave it off until we get down to a handle about that big, and then we can take this and flatten the dirt and compress it so that we'll have a nice smooth, hard, beautiful earth floor. You wait till this is finished, guys. It's gonna be awesome. When I put my heart into something, it always comes out great. Check out my crossbow video if you don't believe that. And my heart is in this, so, and we're so excited. We need some help. Our help is out of town for now. They went to another part of the country to work on a different farm for a while, doing some property deals or whatever. So we're by ourselves this time, and we're gonna do whatever we can. Start where you are. Use what you have, do what you can. So we can easily go out and buy one of these if we had the, but we don't, so we have this. And actually I like it. I prefer to make my own stuff, to tell you the truth. But I can't make a wheelbarrow because you need a wheel for that. And you need some bolts and screws and metal stuff that I can't make here. I'm not into forging steel yet, but it's coming. Okay, so go back to this. As you can see, it's a shitload of work, and this is is just the foundation. We haven't even started the rocks. We got to put rocks in there. First the small ones on the bottom, and then we put the big ones to support the walls so it doesn't sink into the ground. That's our pair of boots that I was referring to. You need a good hat, a good roof, and a good pair of boots. That's the foundation. And this earth house will last 10,000 years, easy, with very little maintenance. So anyway, here we go again. Lots of worms here, guys. Too bad there's not a fishing pond close by. But when we start digging the earth for the walls, we're going to do it in this area here, where it's low down, the level is lower, and all the rainwater and so forth is going to go to that area. Anything that comes here is going to drain off to that area into the fish pond. All we have to do is get fish for it. And that's later to come. But anyway, a journey of 1,000 miles. What do they say? Starts with the first shovel. With the first step. So we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Check out the link in the description to our Patreon if you want to support this project. Love you, fam.